What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to fix the draw option not showing on Instagram. First fix is to try to update Instagram to the latest version. Open Google Play Store or App Store, then search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it. Wait for the update to finish, then open Instagram again and check if the draw option appears. Many users fix the issue by just updating the app because it's a new feature. Now, if that didn't work, restart the app, fully close Instagram, then reopen it. Go to the stories or the editor where the draw option should appear. Sometimes the feature doesn't load correctly until the app restarts. And finally, try switching to another account. Go to your Instagram profile, then tap your username at the top. Switch to another account and open stories and check if the draw option is available there. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.